Hello all, welcome back to Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. Today we're going to see about aerial surveillance using machine learning. I'll explain you the introduction first. The introduction about the integration of ML into military applications is transforming defense strategies by enhancing situation awareness and decision making. In this, ML algorithms analyze large set of data to extract insights and helping the military organization respond to complex scenarios and optimize operation. Their ability to learn and adapt make them vulnerable for recognizing patterns and predicting events in unpredictable environment, such as different weathers and different situations. And the autonomous systems such as UAVs can perform tasks efficiently while reducing human risk. However, the use of ML also arises ethically and security concerns, including algorithm bias and data privacy. In military surveillance, analyzing aerial image poses challenge in improving data quality, accurately detecting and classifying objects. This research aims to develop a comprehensive ML-based framework to enhance the analysis of aerial images, focusing on identifying the objects like artificial structure and human entities to improve surveillance capabilities. I will explain you the problem statement. Here, the military surveillance operation encounters substantial difficulties in analyzing aerial images, particularly in improving image quality, classifying various objects, and swiftly detecting and recognizing specific elements. Current method often lack an unified framework that combines advanced image enhancement, precise object classification, and effective detection strategies. This research aims to create a synthetic approach using ML algorithms to tackle these issues, focusing on enhancing image quality, accurately categorizing objects into detailed subclasses, and our goal is to enhance the analysis and interpretation of aerial images, thereby significantly boosting the military surveillance capabilities. Here, our objective is nothing but the main objective of research is to establish the synthetic approach that utilize the machine learning algorithms to improve the analysis and interpretation of aerial images of military surveillance. Our key goal is nothing but enhance the quality of aerial images through advanced image processing technique, accurately classifying objects within these image into a detailed subclass, including 2D and 3D nets, artificial grass mats, artificial hedges, and gray and gray mats individuals. In detecting these objects with a high precision. And fourth key is locating and recognizing specific object to provide a detailed and actionable insights. Yeah. Now this is our workflow. Based on this only, we have done our project. Data acquisition nothing but we have take data resources from different sources so that and then we are analyzing the data so that it's known as data acquisition and pre-processing nothing but we will turn all images into a single form that means all images in one width and one height to give into the model so that we doing this and then feature extraction, model development, and object classification and the classification object and recognition and validation and testing and deployment and monitoring. Yeah, this is what a workflow. Now I will explain you the code so you'll have good idea about the code. This is our training code. You can see that our data set is nothing but cam with. But first I will show you the data set. Yeah, this is how data set looks like. Here you can see a person and the gray mat like this only we should detect. Based on this, I have detected and then done by ML. This is our training code. Here I will load the image. Here it will change all the width and size in one form. And then we are giving into a algorithm here. Here we have done segmentation and here we have done the classes to color. For every colors there is a classes so are represented here. And then we have marked it as label. Here we are doing clustering And based on that, we will do for convolution 2D. This is a CNN network. We have given, first we have given 64 layers. First we have given 24 layers, 2 to 6, and then 64 layers. Based on this, it will come. And finally, you will give a 1024 features to this network. And finally, you will you will get to know the model is ready. And then you will save the model as enetmodel.h file. Now, based on this model, you will predict the images. Yeah. Now I will run this code. Yeah. Now select an image number from a train list. You should select the image from a train list. So our image consists of our photos consist of totally 54 images, so that you can do numbers between that. I will do 23. Select an image number from test list. Again, it's 23. Now you can see that the green mat has map marked here. By using encoding, I did this. You can see that there's a person here and there's a two persons here. You can see this, there's two persons here in the green mat here. If I close this, you can see this. The detected objects, two-person and one 3D artificial net and one grass. I'll run again. I'll show you other one. Yeah. Now I'll enter 12th image and 12th test list to 12th. Yeah, you can see again. There's a two persons here and that's a green mat and that's a mat two here and that's a person and grass. Yeah. I can see three persons are detected and one 3D artificial net, two grass and one gray. Yeah. Thank you for watching our Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. For more Python videos, you can follow our Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.